Clogged arteries refer to the condition in which the blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood to various parts of the body become narrowed or blocked. This occurs due to the buildup of plaque, a combination of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other substances on the inner wall of the arteries. Over time, plaque can harden and restrict the flow of blood through the arteries, reducing the amount of oxygen and nutrients reaching vital organs and tissues. Additionally, the plaque deposits can rupture, leading to the formation of blood clots that can further block the arteries. This can result in various health complications. Today in this video, I am going to show you a powerful drink that will reduce your bad cholesterol, also to reduce your excess weight, control sugar levels and high insulin levels. When you will add this drink in your daily routine, you will see changes in your body in couple of days. Let's see how to make this amazing drink. The first ingredient I am going to take is 2 garlic pods. Crush these pods and leave it at room temperature for at least 10 minutes. Now I am going to boil 1½ cup of water in a pan. Add crushed garlic in boiling water. Then take 1-inch ginger. Crush it and add in boiling water. Ginger will increase your metabolism. Then take 2-inch Sri Lankan rolled cinnamon. Add in boiling water. As we know, consuming cinnamon produced a statistically significant decrease in glucose, total cholesterol, LDL and triglycerides. It will increase high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, also burns fat faster from your body. Boil water until it reduces to 1 cup. Now take half lemon, cut it into small pieces and these pieces in boiling water and switch off the flame immediately. We don't need to cook the lemon too much. Lemon helps the arteries to function with flexibility. When it cools down to a temperature which you normally drink, strain it into a cup. You can add 1 teaspoon honey. Honey is optional. Now I am going to tell you how and when to drink this. You need to drink this in morning with empty stomach to get maximum benefits. And drink this at least 10 days to reduce bad cholesterol from your body. It also clears toxins from your blood. You will see losing weight will be more easy after using this drink. As it clears the clogged arteries, you will reduce the risk of heart disease. That's it for today's video on clogged arteries. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on leading a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.